with rainwater coming from the roof via this downspout, which will be moved to the back side of the house. We'll be feeding 250 gallons of water into our Eco-Blox and pump bolt. Our goal is additive-free water we're going to use for our herb and vegetable gardens for true growth and excellent taste. Atlantic Oase Eco-Blox with 96% void space fits the bill. Our cross-section of installation, 2 feet of excavation. We would typically put a sand bed down, but we have a sandy soil, we're fine. A 10-ounce non-woven geotextile fabric and an EPDM liner. And then sandwiched again with a 10-ounce non-woven fabric. Eventually, we'll have topsoil and vegetation in this area. You can see the lid to our pump vault. That gives us access to the pump during winter months. We've temporarily placed a stone there. Most likely, it's going to be a Borealis stepping stone to match our elevated gardens. Let's go take a look.